Good afternoon, Bobcat families. Thank you for continuing to support our safety efforts with drop-off and pickup. I sincerely appreciate how many of you reviewed the email we sent yesterday. There are a couple more safety pointers that I do need to make clear. First, during drop-off, only the single non-bus lane is open for students to exit vehicles. We do not have the supervision to monitor the crosswalk and 2 lanes, so please only use the one non-bus lane in the mornings. Second, campus does not open until 8:15. Please do not leave your students unsupervised prior to this time. Extended daycare is available with registration. Please come see us in the office or check our website for more information. Finally, it's going to be an extremely hot week. Please remember to send your student with a water bottle every day. Check your email for any new updates. Thank you and have a great day.